Breaking news, Kaizer Chiefs officially signed a new coach for the upcoming season. It's not this man, but it's this man. His name is Fernando da Cruz, former FAR Rabat coach. Good luck to him. And as for Makosi supporters, I know that you guys are disappointed. You wanted Peter Mosimane, but unfortunately, this is your new coach, guys.
There are rumors circulating that Fernando da Cruz is the next Kaizer Chiefs coach. So there has not been any official statement by the club regarding this matter, but inkomba zonke zithi Fernando da Cruz is the next guy at the helm as the head coach of Kaizer Chiefs. If kuukuthi le ndaba ziyiqiniso, we are backing the coach. We are definitely backing the coach. Ayikiyenze njani coach wethu. Singasho sithi welcome back coach, because Lomfolo, it's the same guy that came with coach Nasruddin Nabi 2 years ago. He was supposed to be the assistant coach wa Nabi 2 years ago, and wahamba isizini ingakaqali nokuqala. He left us for a better opportunity, if ingasho, and now he's back. But be that as it may, if he's the next one at the helm, we are backing the coach.
Imagine uba umlandeli weKaizer Chiefs njengamanje. Nina ningabalandeli 910 funa uPeter Mosimane azoba coach weKaizer Chiefs. Boom, Chiefs yaletha uFernando da Cruz as a coach weKaizer Chiefs. Kubhlungu ba umlandeli wele team because imanagement yakhona ayinendaba, inicabangela ayinendaba. Ayinithanda, ayinilaleli nokuthi nithini. Ngiyakwazi because ngake ngaba umlandeli weChiefs. And I think the best decision I ever made is to leave Kaizer Chiefs and join Mamelodi Sundowns. Uthi uyacomplaina kule team uvulele icala ufakwe uzofakwa ejele. Uthi uyacomplaina uthi nifunani belanda ababathandayo coach. Uthi uyacomplaina kuthiwa kunama team awu15 join oyithandayo. Exazoba dry kule team. Oza Fernando da Cruz nawe uzoyidlela imali uyibhubhudle beterminate contract yakho as usual, nawe udle lo mali uhambe bephinde belanda omunye. Because now ayikho into akangayenza uFernando kuzothiwa akacoach labadlala abafice lapha akekho ongakwazi ukungena kwifilosofi yakhe kwi-style of play sakhe abadlala abafunayo ngeze bathola uzothengela kuthiwa sebenza ngalabo bakhona ehluleke naye abalandeli bekhala kuthiwa Fernando da Cruz must leave as usual. Must yini entshala kuba umlandeli weChiefs. I think mina ngathatha the best decision masezoqhamuka umuntu ezothi wena usomlandeli weChiefs. Angeke mina kodwa nje ngaphuma kudala endabeni ze-family. Uthi mawukhuluma uvulele icala, uthi mawukhuluma kuthiwa hamba ujoin ama-team, ngenza lokho wakushiwo mina kwathiwa awu-15 ama-team amanye ngajoin Mamelodi Sundowns okuyi-team esenhlizweni yami leyana vele ngangifosiwe ukuthi ngijoyine. Shapa Makhosi shapa.
Hayi boba fethu nakho kuthiwa lo mjito uyabuyela eNaturen. Uyabuyela lo mjito kweKaizer Chiefs. Fernando da Cruz. Lo mjito amangabe ukhumbula unesikhathi eside esebenza noNabi. Ngesikhathi uNabi kuthiwa uyaqashwa wayesabhizi le ku-FAR ebanga ileague uNabi makhumbula kahle. Uyena mjita lo owafika kuqala eNaturen elanda uKaizer Motaung Junior ngelokhuzana ngemonto lapha nemphethe ngogadlaza weveni lokulayisha inkuni. Wamlanda lapha e-airport. Wathi uzocheck isimo la eMzansi ukuthi sikanjani. Wayiqala nabo Nabi pre-season benabo Khalil Ben Yusuf bonke bamficene selungisile lapha kweChiefs. Shuthi wabuka ukuthi mabexoshwa Nabi ngizobuya ngoba wathi nje saqeda ukwenza pre-season, mabeqeda ukwenza pre-season wahamba wathi hayi usayocoacha kwenye indawo uyabo. Nalabo tolika basala bedayisa uNabi ngapha kuthe masekuxoshwa uNabi basala otolika bayibamba xoshwa otolika useyabuya yena yedwa. Team kaNabi sidayisene kakhulu madoda. Hayi ziyadayisana lezi aziyadayisana lezi hayi ngeke mfana ziyadayisana yabo seyidayisane kakhulu kodwa hayi seziyada isifile ngeyiphinde icoach endawonye lezi awu madoda sabhidlika ischeme.
Breaking news, according to Mickey Junior, iKaizer Chiefs ukhoshwayo lapha nakamenyezelwa yebo yiqembu kodwa sesiyamazi ukuthi ubani ucoach weKaizer Chiefs. Akuyena uBenny McCarthy. No, akuyena uBenny McCarthy. Akuyena uRulani Mukwena. Akuyena ucoach Mlungisi. Rest assured, akuyena ucoach Manqoba Mnqithi. No, it's not him. And you must also rest assured, akuyena uSepeter Mosimane. No, akuyena uPeter Mosimane. But ladies and gentlemen, allow me to present to you the new Kaizer Chiefs coach all the way from France. That is Fernando de Cruz okade coach laphana wayecoach laphana iLille yase France aphinda coach iAsfa yase Morocco. Umjida ke bafethu uza la eNingizimu Afrika nethimba lakhe locoach aba u4 okuthi uzobe yena number 5 oyi technical team yakhe and futhi kuzoba khona esinye staff azos-add from la eNingizimu Afrika. Ucoach bafethu uyafika Kaizer Chiefs usayinde u2 years according to uMickey Junior there at the bottom la yabo la yes Mickey JNR it so shows ukuthi laphana ke ipost ikisho yena 30 minutes ago laphana coaching of it usayine 2 years lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs with an option to extend to a further laphana for a further year laphana ku Kaizer Chiefs. So bafethu angazi uthina kwakho uPaula ngocoach obukeka as an experience lapha yana kwempofana uthina kwakho uPaula ngale ndoda efikile Fernando de Cruz.
Yeah, guys, Fernando da Cruz. He is the new head coach of Kaizer Chiefs in accordance with Mickey Junior, the journalist, you know. Yeah, he has revealed it, guys. With Da Cruz, I say coach Chiefs and Mickey uti sign, you know. So, yeah, the advantage here is that he has been there before. He's not walking through the Naturena gates for the first time. He has been there before. Remember when Nabi came, he had Fernando da Cruz as his assistant. The problem is that there was an offer that Fernando received, you know, from the Morocco Football Federation, and then he decided to leave his role at Chiefs, resigned, and went to join Morocco Football Federation, and then Nabi continued without da Cruz, and now, well, it looks like Chiefs have roped him in as their new head coach, as we know that the head coach position is vacant at Kaizer Chiefs. He's mostly experienced to coach Fernando da Cruz. He has worked as a Farapat coach. They've had great success under him. He used to be even their sporting director, if I remember well. He also coached the team like in Lille. Imagine Lille, guys, from France. He was there as their youth coach, you know, and also he was there as their scout also. He has helped them before. So he has a lot of experience, and he believes also in young players. And also, when I say experience, I mean as a head coach, but also as a technical sporting director. All those roles as a scout. So he knows a lot of things, you know, within a football club and how it should be run and what needs to be done for it to succeed. The question is he the right man for Kaizer Chiefs Football Club? Only time will tell.
Breaking news. Kaizer Chiefs isino coach omusha. No. Cha. Amanga lawo. Kaizer Chiefs ayika announce lutho. Kaizer Chiefs ayikakasho lutho ngendaba ya coach. Ama rumor lawa angazi ukuthi nokuthi asukaphi. So website ye Kaizer Chiefs, there's nothing, even on their Twitter page, Facebook page, Instagram page, there's nothing. So this is a rumor. Futhi mina ke ngiyangistress ukuthi ucoach namanje asinaye. Ngoba ucoach kumele abiya scouts abadlali abafunayo lapha ku World Cup. Yabo, ucoach kumele ngabe ubhizi approach ama team, unegotiate abadlali abafunayo for next season. Isikhathi siyahamba Mtawungu. But ke in Mtawungu we trust. We trust you, so it's fine. But ke indaba ya coach is not true. Aiden McCarthy uyahamba ku Kaizer Chiefs. Inhliziyo yami ibhlungu ngobani we are losing such a great defender. Angazi nokuthi somreplace ngobani Nkosi yami. But ngiyamjabulela because i-team ayodlala kuyo iyodlala ku Champions League next year, next season. So I am happy for him. Equality siyiproducer ke le. Equality siyiproducer and Kaizer Chiefs Nkosi makusilona ijele. It's not prison. If umdlali efunwa i-team siyamdedela. Bemthenge. Asivimbi abadlali ukuthi behambe. So I'm happy for Aiden, all the best, man. Yo, sizokukhumbula siyikhosi. Nawe usicabange phela uma ufuna ubuye but ke guys indawo zanamhlanje lezo.
Bafana bakithi kuphelile uqagela lapha kwempofana sebemvezile ucoach ozocoacha iKaizer Chiefs next season Fernando da Cruz walapha eFrance uke wacoacha neSFAR lekade idlala ifinal neSundowns ngicathi ngo2022-2023 season impela uyinqwele impela inqwele nje enhle kakhulu ecoacheni bafowethu so amakhosi azobe phethwe yiyo ke lenkunzi ngizwile ngathi uzofika
thimba lakhe bazoba bathathu, uzofika nabantu ababili ube uyena owesithathu bese kuphinda futhi kuzoba khona omunye wala eSouth Africa futhi ozobelekelela laphana ku-technical team ye-Chiefs. Lokho-ke akakaqinisekiswa ngokugcwele, kodwa Fernando da Cruz uqinisekisiwe 2 years deal with Kaizer Chiefs. Fernando da Cruz is the new Kaizer Chiefs coach for the season of 2026-2027. Mshubu.
Lento ukuze uyichaze kahle ifuna ngathi ungama la odongeni lumnyama khona uzobatshela kahle indaba. Labantu nje babona bonke bewu4 bekanje escreenini sami. Bayischeme labantu bebeyischeme ngoba ngibona ukuthi bayophinde besebenze ndawonye indlela ababhekselane ngayo phansi. So bonke bebefuna into eyi1. Okay. Lo ombona la. Lo bekade kuyena ingqwele yabo. uNasreddin Nabi. Lo enimbona ngapha uFernando da Cruz. Laba ababili laba bekade bengabasizi niyazi uKhalil Ben Yusuf kanjalo nobani noCedric Kaze or Cedric Kaze. Okay, sithi uCedric Kaze. So into eyenzekileke lo uthola umsebenzi kwiKaizer Chiefs lo mangabe ethola umsebenzi kwiKaizer Chiefs athi uzohamba nalo awubomsizi wakhe ahambe nalo lo uzoba yini umsizi wakhe omunye futhi, right? Lo babemshiyele kwamanye amazwe lapha bekade bemshiye khona. So naye ebhizi zama impilo ngendlela yakhe, kodwa lo ubeke wasebenza nalo phambilini emaqenjini amaningi, so bayazana kahle. So kwenzakaleni ke lo athi hayi yazini wena mngane wami uNabi, yabona mngane wami ngoba uthole lo msebenzi mina ngicela ukuhamba kuqala mina ngiye kwiChiefs ngiyobona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Wena sala la eMorocco uprepare ifinali lozoyidlala eSFA neRaja Casablanca, sala uprepare ifinali eFA Cup lozoyidlala. Avume lo ngoba uthemba lo ahambe lo ehle airport afika xoxe nemanagement eKaizer Chiefs yamitha abadlali enze yonke into alungiselela ipreseason. Ulinde ukuthi kufike lo nalo athi ngifake nalo kufike nalo lona ke cha bakithi uyiphatha kahle lo uyiqeqeshe lo goalkeeper yena. So bahambe bonke beyischeme, behambe nescheme sabo sonke nabanye kamama nomunye oyitechnician mabefika enkosi yami lapha eNatural afike lo ahlale kancane afika angithi ufike uqala wahlala yedwa wafundisa imo sonke. Uthe basizoqala isizini wathi hayi pre-season sesiyenzile ngicela ukuhamba mina ngiyoyimela manje angisafuni ukusebenza ngaphansi kalo lo ahambe abashiye bobathathu nje babona abashiye bobathathu kufike nalo goalkeeper coach kufike nalo i-technician ngabe uyi-analyst ngabe uyini bahlale bonke basebenze kwiKaizer Chiefs. Laba bawu2 laba bethi lo kahle ngoba esiphethe akakwazi ukucoacha nesingisi nje bengasazi kuzoba inkinga. Bafike la behambe lo ngapha ngemumva axoshwe lo kusale laba bawu2 sale coacha bona makusele coacha laba bawu2 lo ubelokho ekhona shuthi wayitshela imanagement yeChiefs ukuthi manje ngifuna you know where to find me. Lo usexoshiwe futhi athi ngimsusa asuke lo kusale lethule lo usalokhu uyasho ukuthi you know where to find me manje ngifuna bebehluleka lapho laba bengayimithi nabe mandate efunekayo. Manje lo usethena anilande mina manje shuthi kahle nje i-merry go round bakithi uyabo i-merry go round zonke ziyayifuna lento ifuna nami ngiyayifuna kwasho njalo umbekezele imbokazi ayiziyabhekselana phansi lezi ayizibhekselana phansi uthiwa kuyabuya lo kwiKaizer Chiefs uthi uyabuya sekuya yedwa kuzobuya nethimba lakhe elisha ceke asazi uthi yozala nkomoni. Let's see how this one pans out but asiyibona.